Okay, for this one, it reads, find the area of the shaded region. The graph to the right depicts IQ scores of adults, and those scores are normally distributed with a mean of 100 and a standard deviation of 15. And I've got an instructor tip here. It says, on this problem and all others, do not use the tables provided in the links. Please use technology, StatCrunch, or the TI. So this text has a lot of problems that have the table and a few that have technology. Well, they can all be done with technology. They can all be done with the table. So the better problems seem to be the ones that included the table. But you can ignore that. We're not going to be using the table. So go to question help and click StatCrunch. Going to click stat, calculators, and select normal. Okay, and so pulled up StatCrunch, got it aligned, make sure it's standard, and I'm going to select the mean. If you watch some of these videos from the previous section, the mean and standard deviation, it was a standard normal curve. It was always 0 and 1. In practice, we don't have that, right? We're going to have a particular mean. And in this case, it said the mean is 100 and the standard deviation is 15. And we want this to be less than or equal to 70. So less than or equal to 70, and then press compute. You notice the graph, and I'm given, it says to round to 4, and I already have the answer in there, 0.0228, right? Now on the TI-83 or 84, I'm going to press second vars to access the distribution menu, norm CDF. Lower bound, it's negative infinity, so I'm going to do negative 1 E99. Upper, in this case it's 70. And then the mean is 100. Standard deviation of 15. If you don't have this nice little wizard that pops up, it's just norm CDF and then lower bound, comma upper bound, comma mean, comma standard deviation. And we get exactly the same thing we got in StatCrunch. I hope that helps.